All right. Hopefully we're back. What's up, guys? Not sure what was going on there. Hang on, boys and girls. Let me get this posted in the Discord here. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right, guys. What's going on? Can you guys hear me and see me loud and clear? I've got a buy limit set on this order block here on the 2-minute gap as well. Freaking getting left in the dust today, boys and girls. This move up was wild. And then I go long here, get stopped out, no continuation. And we pull back for a 15-minute gap. We see we're wicking it. I'm trying to get an entry to get long here. Let's see if I can get freaking picked up. You know, my goodness. Did I catch the move this morning, Stockister? I mean, I literally framed the move from here, and I freaking hesitated, wanting to see a little bit more of a wick down. And then I just got totally left, bro. Oh my God. How painful that was. That was pretty painful. I mean, this was literally, we're talking about these lows being ran out, SMT. If we inverse the gap, I'm looking for longs. We freaking inverse the gap. Don't grab an entry here at the close of the candle, and that was it. Kicking myself a little bit, honestly. Thanks, Lang Trades. Yeah, they're good folks. It's nice that Matt's from the Midwest as well. I feel like we have a little bonding over that, don't we? Yeah, dude, really was. Gosh, that was unfortunate. We were moving a lot this morning. A lot pre-market. And dude, we've had a lot of movement, a lot of back and forth. Let me know if you guys are, how you guys are doing today. Honestly, I should be like so green on the day, and I'm not. It's a little annoying, to be honest. And yeah, didn't get picked up on this. I was waiting for this 2-minute to close. Because this 1-minute closed like right at the high of this order block, and I'm like, let me wait for another candle closure. So I did. We close here on the 2-minute. Limit doesn't get picked up again. I'm gonna have to stop. I might have to stop using limit orders because I just can't get picked up when I do. You know what I'm saying, boys and girls? But anyway. Hi, Achievers Club. Are you red on the... I am red on the day, yes, because I missed this long down here, and then I longed up here expecting price to just continue higher to the all-time high. So I got ran out. When this 2-minute gap here respected with the wick, right here, I went ahead and took an entry long, expecting this to just continue grinding higher, and got ran out here right at the very end of the macro. This is so fucked, bro. Come on. I'm getting left in the dust today. That is so annoying. But yeah, I mean, my bias hasn't changed. I was bullish going into the day, and somehow I lost going long, even though it's what do you do? The wicks do the damage, boys and girls. The hourly wick. The hourly wick did a little bit too much wicking than I was hoping to see. And now, I mean, I'm just going to delete this buy limit here because this got left. I don't like this shallow run above the high here at 1030 SMT. But I don't want to be bearish, to be honest with you. I don't want to be bearish. I mean, shoot, can we get a drive down here at all? Is anybody in these longs? I literally framed this up on at the end of Tradeify TV as well. I said 15 minute fair value gap. If we can get this to hold, would look for continued upside. And what the heck? What the heck? Why am I bullish? I went over my analysis on stream, but I mean, let's just take it from the top down. Daily, this is how we ended up closing yesterday on the daily. Ended up closing bullish. So even the bullish bias yesterday ended up working out if it wasn't for Trump and Powell fighting with each other. And then here's on the hourly and 4 hour. You know, everything bearish getting disrespected. Bearish fair value gap disrespected. Bullish fair value gap holding. Hourly, I mean, it's all the same stuff, right? So like everything that was bearish to the left got ran through. Everything that was bullish is holding price. And then 8 a.m., like this 8 a.m. candle was nuts. Seeing this hourly close back above here, I'm like, okay. It was just confirmation that it was bullish. That's why 9 a.m. was kind of nuts. We wick all the way down, and then we end up still closing bullish. Pretty wild movements, honestly, but it's all still holding the higher time frame bullish narrative. If someone is not bullish, I have no idea what chart they are looking at. Honestly, I mean, yeah, I feel like it's pretty obvious, but I just I fumbled the bag today on my execution. Fumbled the bag, boys and girls. But yeah, I'm not about to be bearish. That'd be the worst fumble. I guess I could be rather I'd rather have me lose because of some executions in the right direction versus trying to fade what is seemingly pretty obvious, but I don't know. See if we can get this drive down here on ES. Maybe ES can run this low. NQ can rebalance this leg and can look to long back higher. Definitely think we have more room to go to the upside here. Getting some big wicks. Like, look at this 15-minute. Huge top wick. Huge wick down into the structure in the gap here. Now we're wicking this high. Hourly looks fantastic, honestly, though. Tyler enters shorts. No, I'm not entering shorts, Tani. Is it Tani or Tony? I'm not gonna go short. I'm not gonna go short today. If I did, it'd be a short term, like, to rebalance. No, yeah, I just want to see. I want to see higher. Hitting this gap here. It's 1039. Could maybe, I mean, if price does if price does bounce here, could look to frame something like this. I still like that all-time high price. But trade would look like this if this trades back higher and we can close back above this high. If not, I think we could maybe see another drive lower. ES could run this low out here. SMT internally, and then that would bring us back closer to discount of this leg. So I'm not in this yet, boys and girls. I just have this framed up as a potential potential trade idea, I guess. What's up, Big Head Reef? No, you're not late. We didn't start stream until after I was on Tradeify TV until like 10, whatever, 10:15, 10:30, closer to 10:30, and then started the stream here because I was gonna be still trading, so figured I might as well. Might as well. What's up, Great Trades? What would you be doing if not trading? Going to the gym. Not looking at charts. Peace out, Rodrigo. How are you guys doing today, though? Like the stream, boys and girls. What do we got? Let's see. We'll do a giveaway today if we can get these likes up. 26 likes. Yeah, let's get the likes to 100. We'll do a giveaway if we get 100 likes plus. Do you use a 7 wood in golf? I don't have any woods in my bag, David. I got irons, driver irons. My lowest iron is like a 6, and then I have 3, 4, 5 hybrid. But I should maybe add some woods to my bag. I should also add a different I should maybe add a wedge or like a sharper wedge as well. I use a pitching wedge and a sand wedge for like my chip shots. Maybe I need to get that old 69-degree wedge. What's up, Rotten Chicken? I mean, yeah, I already kind of went over why I'm favoring longs. It's just everything on the higher time frame, hourly, 4-hour, daily, is saying that we're disrespecting bearish, holding bullish. We're very close proximity to all-time highs. That's pretty much it. Not trying to fade the bulls. Art thou feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Is 3-iron... What? Is 3-iron hard to hit? Oh, you asking TC? You rock the 3-iron. Yeah, I don't have any irons below 6. I kind of suck with my hybrids, though, to be honest. I'm great with my irons. Great with my irons. Kind of shitty with my hybrids and pretty... I'm getting better with my driver. As long as I don't swing for the fences, I usually drive it pretty good. But if I'm swinging hard, I'm slicing that ball so far right. Yes, in this gap here. Did not get a strong close here on the NASDAQ, so I'm not in this yet. Don't wanna have a situation where I jump in this and then all of a sudden we get another push lower. But it looks like we could get it here. Potentially. You see 2-minute came back down. We wicked this gap. This was like the setup that I ended up taking on stream was very similar to this. We just didn't get the follow through. We'll see if we get it this time. Just so good. Yeah, me too, TC. Michael Bennett says short. Why do you guys want... I mean, I guess I could see maybe shorts like into rebalance, but like... Are you guys saying you're overall bearish? Like when you guys are saying short, like look at the hourly. Look at the wicks to the downside here. This is what you want to fade? I'm actually just asking. Anyway, never say never, boys. A nuke could hit us in 5 minutes, and then all of a sudden the markets are really in the gutter. But what's up, George? I want to say this to someone, guys. I passed my first ever funded. Nice, Emils. Emils? Congrats. New 15-minute here just opened up. Macro in 5. See ES still holding this gap here. And we did not... I thought maybe we could SMT these lows on ES. So I would not be shocked if we get another drive lower here, but... It's a tough day when you're praying for nukes. I mean, if you're a bear, I mean, you got to be praying for something to hit. I would think. What I think about yesterday robbery? I did make back the L that I took yesterday off stream. I posted the executions on X, and in the Discord I dropped them. So, but yesterday's robbery, I'm trying to remember. I'm already forgetting what happened yesterday. Oh, yeah, no, we got stopped at break even, and then I re-entered it, and then we just had this split second 50-point candle down. Yeah, that was pretty nuts. The Powell stuff was crazy. We get the sell off, and it just ends up being a manipulation. We recover the entire move higher the rest of the day. We literally ended up putting in a new high of the day. Off-stream wins don't count. They count for me. They might not count for my street cred and my ability to sell a course to you guys ever, but they count for me. You know what's funny, dude? Like, it sounds bad, but like, I feel like, let's say I lose on stream and then I take like a win after stream and I'm green on the day. Like, I'm still like just so happy about that. Like I don't feel any remorse that I lost on stream and won off stream. Sorry to break it to you, boys and girls, but I don't know. It's just how it is. I'm like, well, sucks to, but that's why again, you can't copy trade, right? Somebody, you can copy trade somebody, but they might only be, you know, you might not be able to copy trade them all the time. It's not good. Not good stuff. Not good stuff. I don't know. Dare I set another limit that doesn't get picked up? I can't get left behind 3 times, right? No one ever got left behind 3 times. It's overbought. Welcome to all-time highs. Welcome to all-time highs trading. Oh my fuck, bro. No. Nope. Watch me top tick this, bro. Still got a 1 to 2 here. And stop is actually not bad. It's only 18 points. Fucking market. Fucking market. Breakout trade. Well, I ended up chasing this. I dropped all the way down to a 15-second because I'm like, am I not going to get picked up on my limit? Or 30-second. We had a little fair value gap here we tapped after this high. So, Yeah, no, I'm just trying to see price continue higher here. To me, the hourly looks bullish. Everything looks bullish. So I don't want to fade that. You know, look at this hourly. I just feel like we are reaching towards these all-time highs. Tradified TV changed me? I don't even know what that means. Dude, I can't tell you how bummed I was, though, that I did not. I literally said, I want this inversion. If I get it, I'm going to take it. And I just didn't press the button, dude. Why did I do that? Why did I not press the button? Just press the freaking button, dude. Just press the button. Press the fucking button. Fuck. No, I wasn't even shy. I just was like, for whatever reason, in the moment, I'm like, oh, we're going to get a wick down here again. It was also early. Like, this was 9:40. So we're only 10 minutes into the open here. Maybe subconsciously that was going on in my head too. I don't know. Either way, I was kicking myself for it. Yeah, that's where it pays to be a momentum trader. That's when you're trying to be too precise. You get left behind. Should be leaving some gaps behind here. This is basically one giant imbalance being formed. One, 2, 3 minute. Break even for me is going to be probably when ES runs out the high here. We'll see where we're at, obviously, but should be well enough in profit at that point. But I don't know. I don't mind my stop. I'm below this leg, below this breaker as well. So I feel like my stop's in a decent area. 2 minute gap here. And 3 minute coming soon here. Minute and a half. What I'm hoping, I'm not trying to speak this into existence either, but I'm not wanting to see the new hourly open up. This is the hourly candlesticks here to the right. So like if this hourly, this next hour over to open up and then we wick all the way back down to like immediately rebalance. Oh, that's going to be a frustrating. That will be frustrating. We got macro starting here 3 minutes into the macro. Because I'm not looking to partial Ferdinando. If anything, I'll trail. What's up, Adnani? No, I was live on Tradified TV earlier. This is a post. They were kicking me out. I think they're bringing a Coach Tank on or something, another guest. So I started live here. I was not done trading yet. But no, just started this stream, what, 20 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago? Something like that. Near Hudson. Teton. Not too far off. I went golfing in Hudson not too long ago. Three-minute gap. 5-minute gap. What's up, Brandon? Your daddy ICT always says not to buy premium market. You FOMOing some. Okay. He also said he was going to delete his YouTube if Bitcoin hit 100 grand. So I still think his YouTube exists. Last time I checked. Also, what did he say about Robin's Cup last year? I believe he also says to not be bearish at all-time highs. So it's called a chase, Brandon. It happens. Listen, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Go ahead and short the market. You got all the free will to do just that if you want. I do play his speeches on stream. That is correct. You don't miss much, do you, ass fan? White Eagle is where I went. White Eagle. It was a nice course. Got to get back over there. I mean, could probably look to protect the trade too. We can trade through new highs. Be at -1 standard deviations above here as well. New hour in 2 minutes. Yeah, hit the like button. Joshua says I'm a legend. Thanks, Josh. ICT is a fraud, LOL. Congrats, Scott. Make a t-shirt. We need to go again, Tyler. So I'm saying, you want to go today? I'll go today. As soon as I'm done streaming, I'll hop in the whip. I'll head over to Hudson right now. Get a quick 18 or 36 holes in. Can't today? Fuck you, dude. Fake friend. Hope you tip your bike over and knock your 2 front teeth out. Selfish son of a bitch. All right, boys. I'm going to go break even here. Just want to see this continue to carry through for higher. New hour is coming as well. So if this does manipulate lower again, I would look to just replay it. ES is kind of blowing up here. Let's see if we can follow through it all at the new hour if we're going to get a pullback. Protected the trade, though. All right, here's your new hour, 11 a.m. Initial open straight up. Might be just creating that upper wick, taking out the previous hourly high. This would be a pretty big, like, if we were to immediately rebalance, like, this could manipulate a lot, honestly. But look at this previous hourly candle. Holy fuck. Even it's actually been kind of nuts. Even like the hourly at 9 a.m. Yeah, pretty wild stuff, man. Pretty wild stuff, man. All right, I'm going to trail to the hourly low. I'm just going to try to trail this along. This is quite the move, though. It's too bad I bought in a premium. Right, chat? What do we have for likes, boys and girls? 100 likes. 100 likes, we'll do a giveaway. Like the stream, like the stream, like the stream. I'm just going to keep trail. I'm going to trail pretty tight. Yeah. All right, trailed out there, boys and girls. Hit this negative 1.5. Trailed out a little over 1 hour. I was trailing that pretty tight. So this could still play. Let me know if you guys are still holding this. I might have trailed a little too tight there. Yeah, you might be right. You might be right, EM. That might have been a little too tight, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But shout out to anybody that longed in a premium. Shout out to anybody that longed in a premium. The chat was not happy that I was long there. For some reason. Oh, what do we have for likes? What do we have for likes? 89 likes. Get those likes up, you stingy Jews. All right, relax, relax. So stingy with the likes always. What's up, Yash? Yeah, I just caught the long here. Took 2 longs today. My first long got stopped out, ironically enough. After I totally dropped, I fumbled the bag big time here and just by not executing. So, yeah. That's fun. I mean, I should be like so crazy green today. Just a couple miscues. Couple miscues, and then got, yeah, we got this big retracement. We rebalanced all the way to discount of the range here, which I wasn't really anticipating when I took the long up here. I was more so looking at the hourly. You know, and I was looking at this previous hourly close and how we closed back above this structure. And what had happened was we did wick lower to start off this candle at 10 a.m. and then we flipped it bullish and printed a bullish for value gap above the high. And I'm like, okay. So my idea was like, I'll take the long off of that and then expect that we already put in the low of the hourly candle. Did we just take out the high? Oh, wow, boys. I fumbled that trailed stop, but that's all right. Look at that shit. What the fuck? Congrats to the Bulls. Yeah, man. Well, look at that. All-time highs. Again. Pumping right now. This is why you don't fade the all-time highs, boys and girls. But ITT said don't buy the premium. Shut up. Just shut up, would ya?
They don't know what the fuck they're doing. Do you understand that?
Do you have 200 respondents to Ron?
What he said. Dang. Yeah, who caught the longs here? Could have got an even better entry off this 5-minute. Would have been a decent ad as well. In hindsight. Breaker never got retested though, so glad I did not leave the limit on. The limit would not have been filled. Which has been the mode of the market today. It has just been that way, dude. Unforgiving. Not patient. Just ripper. You know? Yeah, hit the like button. It's free. Unless you guys don't want to... If you guys don't want to do a giveaway, we don't have to do a giveaway. If you don't want a giveaway, we don't have to do it. I can save it. It doesn't matter. It don't matter to me. You know? It makes no difference to me. Man, oh man. What a move. Now where do we go from here? I could tell you probably where. Higher. But look at this though. This is... Look how extended we are today, just based on like standard deviations relative to Asia range. We are 4 standard deviations now above the Asia range high. So we're getting into anomaly price action in terms of deviation, as far as deviation is concerned. Bitcoin is... Come on, Bitcoin. XRP? What the fuck, dude? XRP pumped overnight. We at... what did we hit here? 330. Actually, this morning as well. Yeah. My portfolio crossed the milestone of 250K. I don't know if it's still there. It's probably like hovering right around it. I don't know. Cool little milestone though. You know? Don't want to screenshot it because then I'll have the screenshot curse. Yeah, right at this very moment, CryptoPort is... Come on, you son of a bitch. $251. Just a hair under. So it's been what a ride we've been on in these markets, boys. We've really been over just the last, what is it? July 17th. Over the last Few months, man. It has been, what a ride. What a ride it has been. I don't know. I thought the price action was overall clean though today. To be honest, that's why I'm like, I feel like I didn't take advantage the way that I know that I'm capable of. That's just the only bad thing for me. So that's my self-criticism. But I mean, in terms of like reading bias and framing ideas, I mean, shit, I thought this was really clean today. SMT at this low here at the open. I mean, just immediate reversal back to the highs, rebalance back to the highs. It's crazy. So hopefully you guys did well today, which I would imagine is probably the sentiment. If we do a quick little P&L check. Green, red, flat. Let me know how we did today. Calm low flex. I mean, it's not really like, I'm not showing that as like a flex. It's just, I mean, I guess it kind of is. But it's also like, could not be a flex to the right part. Like, I'm such a tiny little fucking speck of dust, especially in the crypto space. Like, and honestly, if I'd have been more aggressive, I should have accumulated a lot more when we were in the dumps, 22, 23. So I really kind of fumbled the bag there a little bit as well. Could have really stocked up more. It's always the issue, right? The only problem you're gonna have is that you didn't buy more. Sound fair enough? Damn. I think my principal, Brandon, is like right around like 60-ish thousand, give or take. 5 to 10 grand. I don't know. I don't know actually my overall, but my best crypto trade to date was buying XRP. I put 10,000 in XRP at 30 cents when the SEC lawsuit happened. If I would have waited like a day, I would have got a 17 cents entry, which would have been nuts. I did shave off my initial investment on XRP. I forget where. I want to say I shaved it off roughly. Oh, it was like somewhere like right up in here. It was like right around $3. Just maybe a hair under. So I took on my initial, which is crazy because now I'm writing all profit. And for a 10K investment, that was like my XRP holdings right now are 90,000. And that's with me taking my initial out. So like that's all floating profit, which is nuts. But it's been a fucking long road. If you ever traded crypto and you've been holding through all the nonsense the last handful of years, it makes this day trading shit look like child's play. That's why we day trade though, because we got to get our fix in on a daily on a daily interval, not just, you know, the crypto is the swing portfolio. You just hold it and you hold it. You hodl. You diamond hand that shit. So, anyway, well, let's do a giveaway, shall we? Oh, let's give away. We'll start off with a 50K growth Tradeify account, boys and girls. Let me get this set up for us. Congrats again to you guys that caught longs today. I think today's price action is actually kind of sexy. Yeah. We'll do random number again. Hang on, boys. Hang on. I did not give you the parameters yet. No spamming, okay? No spamming. One number. If you guess more than one number, the bot on the back end is going to automatically disqualify you, I believe. I think. I'll be honest, I actually don't know if it disqualifies you or if it waits until somebody hits the number. I think maybe that's actually how it works, now that I'm looking at this. Just do a keyword. No, I like the random number because it adds a little bit more suspense and you guys just get to go ham on the keyboard. Lost 5K in crypto, which is 50K in my local money. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Ananya. Dude, I've got it's not all sunshine and rainbows. I have 1 Bitcoin right now. I used to have like 4 or 5 Bitcoin and I diversified them into other things. And one of them at like 30,000, I bought this meme, not a meme, it's not a meme coin. I bought a altcoin called Kudos, which doesn't even exist anymore. In 2022, that 30K went down to like less than $1,000. And I'm like, well, fuck, just gonna hold that. Now it's called Fet AI. It got acquired by Fetch AI. So like I'm down a lot on this one, to be honest. Yeah, like this is in order for me to just get back to break even on this, I need Fetch to go all the way back to its all-time high. But I've already parted ways with the fact that that may never happen. We'll see. It's an AI project, so you would like to feel good about the long-term hold, but you know, we do what we can. We do what we can, boys and girls. Anyway, all right, I think I take back the spamming thing. I think you can actually spam the number because I think just based on how it went yesterday, it waits for somebody to guess the actual right number. So let's do this. Let me set the range here. We only got a couple hundred people watching, so should be good. The range is going to be, I didn't even set it yet, boys and girls. Relax. Relax. The range is going to be from 500 to 999. And I'm not going to show it because it's going to tell you if it's too low or too high. But guess between 500 and 99, boys and girls. Go nuts. Winner gets a 50K growth account from Tradeify. I'm just picturing people just like fucking going nuts. Nobody's got it yet. It doesn't even tell me the number until somebody wins. That's crazy. We got like almost 500 guesses and the range is not even 500 numbers. You guys suck at this game. Come on, man. Oh, no, nothing yet. It doesn't even tell me the number, so I really don't know what it is. Dum da dum da dum da dum da da da. This is crazy. All right, boys and girls, we have ourselves a winner. Alex. I still don't know what the winning number was. Does it say? Oh. I think I fucked up. All right, guys, stop typing. Alex, are you in the chat? Why can I not grab this now? Oh, here we go. Are you there, Alex? Are you there? Are you there? Alex, reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter. No, numbers, man. You didn't win. The Alex already won. What's up, Alex? Well, hang on. I mean, Alex is kind of a common name here. Let me go to channel. I think the number was like 511 or something. I kind of fucked up the giveaway here. I clicked off of it. Now I can't find it. Go figure. But yeah, Alex, just shoot me a message on Instagram or Twitter. I'll get you the code after the stream here. But we'll do another giveaway here soon. We're gonna do a 150K or not a 150K. Whoa. We're gonna do a 50K straight to fund it as well. We'll do a 50K straight to fund it as well, boys and girls. Looking at the poll in the chat though, most of the chat is green. Yeah. Today was a pretty easy day, I feel like. From bias to, I mean, there was a lot of opportunities, I guess. You could have made money here. Am I looking for another setup? What a great question. Probably not at the moment. Probably not right this second. But now that we've actually taken out all-time highs, like I said, we're so extended in terms of just like standard deviations that it would make sense for a pullback. You know, I guess it kind of comes down to if you're willing to short and fade the all-time highs, really. So, and if you're not, I don't think that's anything wrong with that. I think, you know, not fading the all-time highs is obviously a smart thing. But maybe we get this retracement, a little bit of a rebalance. I think I would at least like to see that before continuing the long. And then maybe in the PM session, see another new high of day. Anything's possible, boys. Anything's possible when you're in these all-time highs. Price discovery. You know what I mean? Prop firm recommendations. Tradeify. Yeah, let me see if we can do something a little different for. Let me see if we can do something a little different for this next giveaway. Bear with me. Bear with me, boys and girls. Actually, hang on. Ooh. Hang on. Hang on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses, boys and girls. We'll do this. We'll do this. Just to make it something different. Just to make it something different, boys and girls. Don't want to do the random number thing again. I don't think you guys want to do the random number thing again either. Sorry, I guess I didn't plan this out. Guess I didn't plan this out good enough. Here's what we'll do. I was going to do a random comment picker. Actually, the suspense is nuts. The suspense is nuts, ain't it? All right, boys and girls. Here we go. Here we go. I will say, go ahead and comment. Go ahead and comment on the post. We'll do a random comment selection here in about 2 minutes for the 50K straight to funded account. We'll give it like 5 minutes. Just past 11:30. Sound good? Otherwise, yeah, boys, in the meantime, we've got some more news tomorrow. Tomorrow we actually have 10 a.m. news. We'll be live back here tomorrow morning. And what we will have in store, my only wonder is, you know, have we kind of hit the objective of the week now with all of this today? Is really the question. But I mean, really going into the rest of the week, I'm still going to be probably just looking to probably lean a little bit more bullish. I don't think that it would be terrible to maybe be able to frame some counter trend shorts, but it would really have to make a lot of sense. And, you know, I still think I would rather favor just overall being bullish for now. But where we go the rest of the day today, man. Yeah, I wonder if we've got the juice to just keep ripping it. But I mean, from a standard deviations perspective, it would be quite an anomaly, honestly. Never say never. Never say never, boys and girls. You hate the numbers giveaway? Yeah. All right, guys. You got like 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes to comment on the post, and then we'll pick a random winner. We'll pick a random winner from the comments. We got 50 and counting so far. Nika said on the post that she hates numbers, so she's being very consistent. Appreciate it, Wick of Siberia. This is what is this? I don't know, it's a Shure mic. I think it's the XM7B or something. It's a nice mic. It's a little spendy. I think this was like, I mean, with the mic, the arm, and the XLR cable, it was like $800. SM7B, that's it, yeah. But boy, does it make all the difference. It does sound pretty good. How do we get into the giveaway? I was watching Cult of Chucky. Santana, you got Cult of Chucky. What the fuck is that? All right, boys, 60 seconds. 60 seconds and we'll pick a winner from a comment on the post. Yeah, I don't know what that is either. Well worth it. Yeah, I agree. I'm happy with it. Link is in the chat. Link is in the chat. How do we set a timer here for 60 minutes? Not 60 minutes, 60 seconds. At the close of this next 1 minute candle, we're going to pick. At the close of this next 1 minute candle, we'll pick. But yeah, I hope it's been good for you guys today. I feel like I should have been even further in the green than I am, but that's okay. Life goes on. How was Tradeify? It was good. It was good. I got left behind. Like this would have been. Did anybody catch these entries, by the way? If you did catch this entry down in here, this inversion, go ahead and drop the executions in the Discord, because this inversion was the first setup that I was eyeing up this morning. Took out all of these lows here to the left, SMT'd with ES. And yeah, I procrastinated. I did not enter here on the close of the candle. And then we just get this face melting rally. And I'm sitting here waiting for a fair value gap to be traded back into, which, yeah, just sucks. So, but it's on me. I mean, I should have not been so stingy with my entry there. I was looking for something like this, which is just obviously when you do this to yourself, you just realize how silly it is. Like you're saving yourself like 3 points, you know. But I feel like it's a little bit the perfectionist in me. I just want to like get that sniper entry. Anyway, all right, let's pick the random winner. If I can find the, oh, I closed the tab. Random, I'm gonna pick YouTube. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Paste the link. Come on, you dirty dog. Look what's happening here. I suck at this giveaway thing. Let's find another one. Are you kidding me right now? Bro. Listen, just so you know, I've tested this before with other in the past with other posts, and this has always worked, and now it's not working. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna improvise. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna scroll randomly up and down. Just give it to everyone. Fuck. Dude, I totally botched this. I can't scroll up and down. No, that's stupid. That is so stupid. Well, that's a bummer. Keyword it is. All of that for nothing. All right, boys and girls. Keyword is bullish. Let me know, boys and girls. Let me know. 50K straight to funded account. All of that just for a fucking... I didn't expect the link to not work. I do apologize. That was not my intention. We'll be better. We'll be better next time. All right, we'll actually give this to the end of the Jeopardy song, and then we're choosing a winner because you guys have been hanging out, and I want to respect your time. All right, boys and girls, and the winner is Nins. Oh, Nins. Congrats, Nins. Are you there? Are you there, Nins? Rigga. I meant to type rigged. Oh, what's up, Nins? Congrats. Shoot me a message on Instagram or X, and I will get you the code for the 50K straight to funded account. Appreciate you guys showing up as always. Like the stream before you go. I do appreciate it. I'll be back live here tomorrow. Congrats to the giveaway winners, and perhaps we'll do another giveaway tomorrow. All right. Peace and love, everybody. Enjoy your Thursday. I'll see you later on.
Power trade sits at his desk, coffee in hand. The NASDAQ charts on his screen, he's in command. He's a day trader, chasing dollars and dreams. Using ICT concepts, he's got some tricks up his sleeves. From Fibonacci retracements to volume spread analysis, Tyler knows the smart money. He's gaining an advantage. He watches the market like a hawk in the sky. With every tick and every turn, he's catching the high. Running with the smart money, kicking up dust. Tyler trades a day trader you can trust. Dancing with the wolves, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire. with the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire.